A big order. Okay, AVAX plus 1. Yeah, love this, right? Yeah, so good. Alright, Gianna, fighting. Yeah, hope you can get blue dots. Okay, we're back. Alright, AVAX. Whoa, and plus 1 back, Gianna. Oh, okay, the butterfly, big butterfly with shiny base. Hi, Chaco, welcome to my channel. Welcome. Alright, Gianna. A shining kitty. Alright, 1 more. A peacock. Whoa, the big peacock. It's sick. 1 more. Gianna. What?
Ooh, blue dogs coming!
Yeah, blue dogs. Wow, this one. Wow, this butterfly is so pretty. I know it. Yeah, Gianna. Yeah, congratulations. Alright, plus 3 bags, Gianna. Wow, so cute. Okay, the house. Whoa, look at this. Sweet hat. 1 more, Gianna. Yeah, blue dogs. Okay. Yeah, the cross. Gotta be cross. Continue, Gianna. Ooh, hummingbird. Yeah, Lily. Okay. Oh, Nightingale fox. Yeah, Lily. This is my favorite too. The Nightingale fox. Yeah, it's so cute. I love the nightingales. Alright. 1 more, Gianna. Okay. Oh, phoenix. Whoa, it's long tail phoenix. 1 more again, Gianna. Okay. Ooh, this one also my favorite. Whoa, the eye. Yeah, in the middle of you can see the blue eye. Whoa, it's so special and job. So good. Yeah, so pretty. A lot of people love this one. Alright, continue, Gianna. You get it. Okay. A butterfly with a lot of the flowers. So good. Oh, bee. Yeah, sunflower with a bee. This one is so clear. Whoa, so good. Continue, Gianna. Different peacock. Yeah, the small peacock. Yeah, with the claw is so special, right? Yeah, love it. 1 more, Gianna. Okay. Wow! SSR! Wow, the green crystal heart, everyone! Whoa, Gianna! Congratulations, Gianna! You get a green SSR! Whoa, just 1 blue dot and now SSRs coming again. Okay, let me show the next one. Okay, red butterflies. So good. Continue, Gianna. Ah! Wow, the blue dot's coming. Oh, this one is so pretty too. Oh, just like the ocean color. Yeah, Gianna. Alright, congratulations. Yeah, Gianna plus 3 bags, Gianna. There we go. Okay, Pegasus. Yeah, Gianna is lucky today. Okay. Yeah, so good. 1 more again, Gianna. There we go. Okay, Jago. Oh, the blue and black Jago. Alright. Okay. Okay, a dog. Yeah, so good. Continue, Gianna. Carvel Dragon can bring a double leg. 1 more, Gianna. Wow, this one, the black baby next out. Oh, it's so elegant. 1 more again, Gianna. Oh, so big butterfly. Huge butterfly. Oh, I love this huge butterfly. Yeah, with a golden edge and with a lot of shining base. It's so good. Alright, Gianna. Continue. Butterfly. Alright. 1 more. Okay, the lizard, kind of a lizard. Yeah, this one, a lot of people love this one too. Alright, last one there. The floor. Yeah, it's so cute. This one, yeah, lovely floor. Okay, Gianna, get 1 blue dot, 2 blue dots, and 1 SSR. Whoa, look at this, everyone, for the balls, Gianna. And give me 1 bracelet, Gianna. Okay, Gianna.